an extensive subway system, kasi remember, presidents think of their legacy. So pag nasabi niya sa SONA yan, babalik-balikan niya yan. Kasi kayo mismo sa media, babalik-balikan niyo yan Di ba? So kung nagawa o hindi. So for example, if he says that during my administration, I at least want to sign a deal that will double, di ba, that na number of stations sa ating subway, or that will extend it to Southern Luzon, or extend it to Central Luzon. I'm talking about Greater Metro Manila. Of course, yung Southern Central Luzon, may mga lines yan na hindi subway. But I'm talking about yung pag tumawid ka ng kalye sa parts of Las Piñas and Muntinlupa, na pag tumawid ka, Laguna na or Cavite, di ba? And same thing with Quezon City and Valenzuela, pag tumawid ka, Bulacan na, di ba?